Okay, folks, I had an issue where I could not start my engine at all. Like, just wouldn't start using the regular BMW key. I could open the door. Basically, I could cut on all the lights. What happened was I exchanged the battery because my battery was low, and once I popped the battery back in, no go. So I'm gonna show you what I did to fix it compared to everyone else, because I saw a lot on the forums, I saw a lot on YouTube, but I did not see this. So I'm not sure if you have a valet parking key, which I have, which looks like this. I'm gonna show you right now. It's like a little gray key. It's like, this is like a manual key where I could unlock the doors with it. I could also start the car, but I don't believe you can open the glove box with it. So they consider it a valet parking key. And what I did, I started the engine up with this key. I just started it right away. Boom. Good to go. And this car still needs a lot of work. But once I did that, I took it right out real quick. Boom. Put in the next key. And I was good to go. Started right up. So try that out. See if it works for you. It worked for me. So you never know until you try. All right.